Alright, I am back with another video and I have a question for you. Have any of you wanted to slightly change the look of the car you drive to have it fit your style? Here's a fun way to change your valve caps without having to buy new ones. First step is you take the wooden dowel and you cut it to 1/4 inch in length, and you're going to use that as a spacer that will go into the bottom of this so that the valve cap is held in the right spot. So you put a dab of glue in the bottom, and then use a screwdriver to push the wooden dowel into the bottom. Then you put some more glue, and then use the screwdriver to push the cap into where it needs to go. And after that dries, you have, let's see if I can get this to focus. You have a cool looking valve cap, and you do this 3 more times so that you have all of them done, and your valve caps now look phenomenal.